What's good, everybody? Today we're going to be talking about an option to build your business credit, which won't affect your personal credit, so no hard pull on your personal credit or on your business credit actually. And this can help you to establish large size trade lines, which can be beneficial when you're trying to get larger things with your business credit later on down the line, like a car or something like that, or just trying to get higher amounts on different forms of business credit that you might be trying to obtain. Now I'm going to give you the rundown on everything about it coming up. So you finally decided to start working on your credit after all of these years of being held back from the things that you want and need because of your credit. But wouldn't it be great if you weren't missing family time, your favorite shows, or even sleep because you're spending all these hours searching online trying to figure out what to say and do while you're disputing the items on your credit report? Well, it could be easier, and all you need is a cheat sheet to show you exactly what to say and do. My dispute letter library will give you access to letters that cover a wide range of accounts and make it easy to know what to say regardless of your situation. So if you want to get more done and get better results while also getting your time back, check out my dispute letter library in the description below and start reaping the same benefits my other customers are seeing. What's good, everybody? Will Frazier here, your credit and business expert. And if you like to hear tips about personal credit or business funding options and business tips, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications so you'll be notified of any new videos I put out just like this. And hit the thumbs up if you do get value from this video. Now, I told you we're going to be talking about an option to build business credit for your business today, and that's what we're going to do. And today we're going to be talking about Credit Strong for business. As you may have already saw, we talked about Credit Strong for personal credit, but they also have an option for business credit as well. And this option is a little unique from other options that are out there. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get into the details of that now. So first off, how does it work? Basically, you're building business credit using your EIN. If you're unfamiliar with that, you're just, getting started in a business or whatnot. Your EIN is like your business's social security number. And when you're building credit under your EIN, you're building credit for your business solely so that you can be able to, in the future, use your business's credit to apply for things and be able to get funds for your business without using your personal credit at all. Because of course, when you weigh down your personal credit with business debt, which is usually large amounts, it can really hinder you from being able to do things in your personal life or your personal finances that you need to do. So it's always going to be the best thing to do for your business to be able to obtain accounts in your business's name and not your name. So it can help you to get an account, a trade line on your business credit report as large as $10,000. And this is how it works. So step one, apply for an account in just minutes. No hard pull on your credit profile, and accounts are FDIC insured. Step two, select a plan. We open an installment loan for your company and report payments to the business credit bureaus. Now, if you're unfamiliar with business credit, there are a lot of accounts out there that you might get for your business that don't actually report to the business credit bureaus. This is an account that actually reports to business credit bureaus. And we'll talk about which ones as soon as we get a little bit further into the video. Now, step three, loan proceeds are locked in a business savings account to secure the loan. Make on-time monthly payments to build your profile. And then step four, every month payment builds payment history and savings, unlike savings at maturity or cancel anytime with no penalty. And payments are super important when it comes to business credit because your credit score in business is calculated totally differently than your personal credit score. Business credit scores rely heavily on your payment history and how early and on time you pay, and also the amounts of credit or debt that you take on and pay off are very beneficial to you in your business credit score, as well as in obtaining bigger accounts later on. So that's why that's so important. So now let's take a look at the different types of accounts that they have. First off, they have three different sizes. They have $2,500 loan that they can report, $5,000 and $10,000. And they really have two different ways you can go about this. They have a loan that has no interest, zero interest, and they have a loan that does have interest. Now, the one that does not have any interest, all of your payments are going to go straight to savings, so you can pull that out once you're done. When it comes to the one that does have interest, it splits up your payment on interest and savings. So some will be saved and some will go to interest. And we'll see the benefits and the cons of that as we go along. So as you can see, the zero interest option at $2,500, your monthly payment will be only $100. At If you choose the one that has interest, it's about $115 a month, so not much difference there. But there's a one-time fee that they do charge you for doing this for you. And if you pick the one with no interest, they ask for $350 for that one-time fee. And if you want the option that actually you will pay interest and get some savings as well, then that one-time fee is $150, so it's actually less. And again, you can see what the rates are right there, based on this loan amount. Both terms, 25 months, you can cancel at any time, so you don't have to pay on it for 25 months. With most things like this, I always say you want to try to pay for at least a year on something like that. And the total cost, as far as money that you won't get back, is going to be $349, that one-time fee with the loan that had no interest. But on the one that had interest, the total cost would be $524, because of course you're not paying as much in the one-time fee, but because you do have interest to pay over the term of 25 months, you would have paid this much. The same here, over the term of 25 months, you would have paid that, because again, it's a one-time fee. But with this one, the longer you have it, the more you end up paying out of pocket. And you can see here they listed the pros: lower total cost, lower monthly payment, 0 interest rate, 100% of every monthly payment bill savings. And the pros of the one with interest is that there is a lower one-time fee, but the cons are higher one-time fee, for the no interest. But the cons over here are higher total cost, higher monthly payment, pay interest, and monthly payment is split between interest and savings. Now, just to give you a grasp of what you would be looking at on the other options, if you chose $5,000, it'll be about a $200 or $220 payment. And if you chose to get the $10,000 loan, it'll be $400 monthly payment on no interest, or $440 monthly payment if you decided to do the one that actually has interest. And you can see that one-time fee also goes up pretty significantly as you go to the higher amounts as well. Now, just to give you some more information about this, the Credit Strong Business Credit Builder accounts report up to a $10,000 installment loan, and they report to Equifax, PayNet, and SBFE. Now, they are working to expand and start reporting to Experian and Dun & Bradstreet, which are the other two business credit reporting bureaus, Dun & Bradstreet being the biggest. So they are making plans to expand and also cover those two as well. But they do have 3 different places where they actually do cover. Now, if you're wondering what it takes to open up a business Credit Strong account, first off, your company must have a registered EIN, so you can get that for free from the IRS. You must be at least 3 months old as far as your business goes, be a LLC, partnership, or corporation, and you must be located in the United States and have a physical U.S. address or place of business. And if you guys don't have a U.S. place of business for your business, I do have a virtual office place that is listed down in the description, and you can get $75 off getting a virtual office with my code. They actually also offer phone services with live receptionists, so your business can look a little more legit and whatnot when you're trying to get those other business loans or when customers are calling in. So make sure you check out that virtual office link down in the description if you don't have that. And actually, there's also a link down in the description to register your business if you have not done so. But then, of course, if you have not done that yet, your business still has to be 3 months old, so you would need to do that and then wait about 3 months. But there's a link to a place that can help you register your business. If you find it confusing to register your business in your state, it'll make it a lot easier for you. Now, other individual requirements: you must own at least 25% of the business. You must have no co-owners that individually own 25% or more of the business. You must be at least 18 years old and be a permanent U.S. resident. You must have a physical U.S. residence. You must have a valid social security number or ITIN, and you must have valid identification documents like a driver's license, state ID, passport, or permanent resident card, also known as a green card. So all of those things are what you must personally have in order to get approved for this. And I know you might be wondering why they need a social if they don't do a credit check, because they are required to identify anybody that's applying for any type of credit. Now, again, this is Credit Strong for Business. So this is a way, an option that you have to try to build business credit for your business. There are different options out there, but this is the Credit Strong option. So if you want to take a look at them, the link to them is down in the description, so you can check them out, see if this is for you, and actually start building credit for your business. Doing it this way can be kind of a shortcut versus getting the vendor accounts, waiting a certain amount of time, and building up into the point where you can get higher limits and whatnot. So that's one kind of benefit of this. But again, the choice is yours. Go ahead and check them out, do your own homework, and see if this is something that can work for you. Now, if you did enjoy this video and get value from it, make sure you hit the thumbs up to like the video, so you too can share this with more people, and you can also share this video with people that you know might need this information, who has a business and is trying to get their business established and build credit for it. And turn on those notifications so you'll be notified anytime I let out new videos like this. I thank you for sticking around to the end of the video, and I'll see you guys next time.